Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of the Daily Dialogue. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. Thanks for tuning in. This is where we speak smart and think global.
Today's topic is something we all have in common: morning routines.
Or as I like to call them, the war between me and my alarm clock.
Same battle, different battlefield. But seriously, how you start your day can shape the rest of it.
That's why we're talking about all of it. Waking up, breakfast, phones, motivation, and maybe coffee. Definitely coffee.
Before we jump in, do us a quick favor. Like this video. Subscribe for new episodes. And tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
All right, confession time. I set my alarm for 6:30, but I actually get out of bed at 7:15.
Whoa, that's like 45 minutes of denial.
Exactly. I hit snooze so many times, my phone's just disappointed in me.
Me? I'm the opposite. Alarm rings and I'm up. No choice. My dog barks like it's the end of the world.
So your dog is your alarm clock?
Pretty much. And you?
My pillow is my therapist.
Relatable. Viewers, tell us in the comments, how many times do you hit snooze?
Let's talk about food. My mornings don't start until I've had tea and toast.
Basic. I go full on. Fruit, eggs, and sometimes oatmeal. Healthy mornings, better energy.
Energy is a myth before 9 a.m.
Fair, but hey, even something small helps.
Also, breakfast changes depending on where you live. Like in Japan, soup and rice in the morning.
Right. Or in France, coffee and a croissant.
Let us know in the comments. Indian breakfast? Pakistani? Mexican? American? What do you eat in the morning?
And if you don't eat anything, we're worried about you. Be honest, Sophie. Phone first or water first?
Phone, always. Instagram, memes, maybe a cute dog reel.
It's so easy to get trapped in doom scrolling.
That's a great word, by the way. Doom scrolling. Means endlessly scrolling bad news or social media.
I try to avoid my phone for the first 30 minutes. Sometimes I succeed.
Impressive. I usually scroll until I forget why I picked up my phone.
Do you ever do morning workouts?
Do stretches in bed count?
Not really, but I respect the effort.
Sometimes I do yoga in my mind.
Even just a walk helps me think clearly. I sometimes listen to podcasts. Actually, podcasts like this one.
Smart plug, Daniel.
Thanks.
Hey viewers, do you exercise in the morning? Or is walking to the kitchen your cardio?
I try writing 3 things I want to accomplish every day.
I write 1. Survive. 2. Maybe laundry.
That counts. Honestly, writing things down helps focus.
I've started doing it too. Not every day, but when I feel scattered.
Try this, viewers. Write one goal every morning. Just one. Then do it. Comment below what your goal is today. Let's review some vocabulary and phrases we use today. We'll say them slowly so you can hear clearly.
Snooze button, to delay your alarm.
Doom scrolling, scrolling through negative content.
Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise like running or walking.
Clarity, clear thinking or understanding.
And don't forget goal setting, choosing what you want to achieve each day.
Which phrase was new to you? Drop it in the comments and we'll help explain.
So, what's your morning routine like?
Do you snooze like Sophie or rise and shine like me?
Tell us in the comments. We read everything.
And if you enjoyed this episode, do us a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment what topics you want us to talk about next.
We're here to help you learn English, one fun conversation at a time.
See you next time on
The Daily Dialogue. Speak smart, think global.